Okay, hello. This is the conditionals class. Today we're going to see four types of conditional sentences. All conditional, most conditional sentences have the if clause, the condition. So you need if and then a main clause. That means you have two sentences then. Two sentences, okay? We're going to start with what is called the zero conditional. What is that? We use present simple tense in both the if clause and the main clause. So present, present. And it is used for factual situations, for real situations, for facts. For example, if I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep well. So if I drink is in present. I don't sleep is in present too. This is the result of the condition. So what happens if you boil water or if you heat water? If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it will boil. It boils. Okay? So condition: if I heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. All right? If I study very, very hard, I do well in the exam. If I practice a lot, I am more confident. Like this. So present, present. That is called the zero conditional. The zero conditional. The second one is called the first conditional. First conditional. What do we use? Uh, we use present if I drink plus future, or vice versa, future plus present. So you can switch places here, and they are used for real or factual situations too. What is the difference then between zero conditional and first conditional? If I drink coffee tonight, I won't sleep well. Okay, what's the difference between I don't sleep well and I won't sleep well? Okay, so this is like a fact, something that is scientific. Scientific. So think about that. For example, if it is 8 o'clock p.m., the sun sets. Is a fact. This happens always. This one, on the other hand, first conditional, is more is less general, more specific, something that is related to me in this case. Okay, so something that is related to me. If I have a lot of money, I will buy a new car. If I have a lot of money, I will have a car. I will get a new car. Okay, that's the first conditional. So this is different from the zero conditional. Remember, zero is more scientific. This one is more personal. Second conditional, we use past simple versus conditional. What is conditional tense? Would plus a verb. That is the conditional tense. So it's past simple plus conditional. And you use it for future and real or for imaginary situations. What could be an unreal future? If I won the lottery, this is very unreal future. It is possible, but it's not very likely to happen. So if I won the lottery, I would buy a house, a big house. If I won the lottery, I would buy a house. Okay. Imaginary situations. If Dracula drank your blood, you would turn into a vampire. Like this. This is imaginary. Imaginary situations. The last one is called third conditional. And we use past perfect, had, drunk, past perfect versus conditional perfect, would have slept. So this is conditional perfect tense, and this is past perfect tense. And the third conditional is used for unreal past or imaginary situations as well. For example, if I had drunk coffee last night, but I didn't, I wouldn't have slept well. But this never happened. It's just an imaginary situation. Okay? So if I had known that you would come, I wouldn't have prepared too much food. Something like that. If I had known that you would come, but I didn't know, I wouldn't have prepared so much food. Okay? So these are the four types of conditionals. I will add more explanatory videos for you to see the difference. Yes? So two things you need to know. One is the form, present plus present, and they are interchangeable. You need to know that too. Present plus future or future plus present, they are interchangeable. Past simple plus conditional or conditional plus past simple. And the last one is past perfect plus conditional perfect or conditional perfect plus past perfect. Why do I say that they are interchangeable? Because I can say, for example, I can say here, if I, no, I wouldn't sleep well if I drank coffee tonight. See, I can change the order. Change the order. Okay, so that's it. Watch the other videos with other explanations from native speakers. Those are much better. See you soon then, and remember to do the practice exercises and then to check the exercises and to correct your homework by writing ticks or crosses.